We're here at Salt Creek Falls Trail here in Central Oregon, and let's go check this out. And we're starting over here at the Salt Creek Falls zone. Some interesting signage. Check this out, Black Swift, very cool. Pause if you want to read that. And formation of the falls, some great intel. Love me good informational placard. Pause that if you want to read that. And come over here and take a look. And look at that. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. That is beautiful. An anchor shoe in a waterfall wonderland. I'm standing here overlooking Salt Creek Falls here in Central Oregon. This is the second tallest waterfall in the entire state of Oregon. Let's check as it goes all the way down this beautiful mossy canyon and ultimately forms Salt Creek down below. Look at that. This, my friend, is absolutely beautiful. We're here at Salt Creek Falls Trail here in Central Oregon, and we are checking out Salt Creek Falls. When you first get to Salt Creek Falls, you got your parking, and it's a national feed area. We've got the Northwest Forest Pass. So it splits off to the left and right. I recommend going to the right first, which is where I'm at now. It takes you to a little overlook of Salt Creek Falls, and there's a trail beyond that. It is kind of near the main highway 58, so you got a little bit of road noise. You can hear it behind me, but it's worth taking this trail because it's going to take us down to a nice little viewpoint area of Salt Creek Falls. And if you're in this area, Salt Creek Falls is an absolutely spectacular waterfall. So if you come this far, it's worth coming down this little forested trail. It's got great infrastructure. This is a national fee area, so it's got top-notch signage and railings, and feels very safe and well built out, infrastructure-y. When we come down here, they said we are paralleling Highway 58, so we got a little bit of road noise. Look at the incredible beauty of Salt Creek Falls. I'm here in Central Oregon, looking across the way at the second highest waterfall in the entire state of Oregon. You see it pooling down below. That is the formation of the Salt Creek. This, my friend, is absolutely beautiful. As we descend further towards Salt Creek Falls, you can get hints of the falls to our left. Beautiful. And we are approaching the final viewpoint of Salt Creek Falls. I think it's very well worth coming down here for this final money shot. You can see the mist rising up from Salt Creek being formed at the base of the falls. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is beautiful. You can feel the mist. I'm standing in the mist. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful that is. That is incredible. The beautiful Salt Creek Falls. I'm sitting here below the base of the second highest waterfall in the state of Oregon. And look at how absolutely beautiful that is. You can follow it all the way down. creating a beautiful ethereal mist as it forms the incredible Salt Creek. This area, my friends, absolutely spectacular.